Today we're going to show you how to make this cake for Father's Day. It's very easy, very simple, and very beginning. So if you don't have everything you need for cakes, that's okay, because neither do I. So just follow along. I just used a little box of cake, not from scratch, so it's even easier. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we hope you really like the cake. Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day! But next time we will get one for you. Yeah, because you haven't had that one, and you didn't even taste it, and then you didn't want one of those when you were a kid, right? So this happy subscribe, click this button so you can watch more of my videos. Yep.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is our cake. I'm gonna make the cake out of a box. So I have this dark chocolate fudge, and I'm just gonna follow the instructions in the back. After it cools down, we're gonna show you guys how we decorated the cake. Okay, so we just turned it up. We turn off the oven right now. We're gonna use dark pans. We put it at 325, and now we have to blend everything. So we gotta check it out.
Good. And then we gotta open it and clear. Okay, agitate. Goes near. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, sprinkle with the bee. Put it in the oven for baby and me.
Okay, so we're done mixing everything.
Yummy.
I'm gonna make just one cake, but with two different layers. So I'm gonna put it in two different pans. Coated, I use pan for baking. Just so the cake doesn't get stuck. Okay, and we are gonna put half and half.
Yes.
Now they are ready to go in the oven.
Kinda?
Out of the oven, wait for them to cool down really good.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have our cakes. They cool down really well. It's been a while now. So we're gonna decorate, okay? We're gonna put the first one down here. And then we're gonna cut this piece off and layer this one on top and make a taller cake.
Ooh, yummy.
Okay, so we're gonna try and make it as flat as we can, so it doesn't fall.
Because you don't want it to get ruined.
That's right.
Yeah, because then you will ruin the surprise.
Okay, so in the middle, I was gonna put this one, this frosting, but I'm gonna put jelly instead now. Okay, jelly and some diced strawberries. So you guys can put whatever you want. You can do jelly, frosting, some
I want
whipped
frosting.
cream. Yeah, we're gonna do frosting. It's kind of like glue, so it doesn't fall. Okay, now we're gonna put some strawberries. Ready? Let's put strawberries over here.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Put some strawberries. Now we're gonna do the other cake. Put this on top. vanilla. That is blue. Isn't that cool? This one smells good. Okay, now let's see how this goes. Carefully. Do you want to just be it done like that, or you want to put some on the side?
On the side.
On the side. Okay. So it's all done, all around. Now it's time for. What's it time for?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. For the final touch, we're gonna try something. We'll see if it works. It's very hard to see, but I wrote Daddy. Okay, so that's our cake. This is our cake. It says Daddy. It's very colorful.
What do you think?
Yeah, what do you guys think? You having fun with that frosting? Okay. Now we're gonna go show it to Daddy. Let's go show it to Daddy. Just show him we made a cake. It's supposed to say Daddy, but it's kind of hard to see like this.
Daddy.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Daddy.
Yay,
You like
you guys
it?
made me a cake?
It says Daddy, I love you.
Give me hugs.
Ah.
Oh, man. Oh. Mwah.
We made this
Oh,
for
thank you.
Father's Day. Say Happy Father's Day.
Happy
Yay.
You made me a frog.
Okay, Daddy's gonna cut the cake.
Cake.
All right,
You
I'm
want
gonna
some
cut
cake?
Riker's keys first.
I'm the one that makes it. That's what he wants to give me right there.
Huh? What?
That's for you.
Hey, don't put your fingers in it.
Tristan, eat this one. This one's yours. Yeah, you can have. We're gonna use colorful cakes.
Yummy.
There you go. Let me see. You get 4. Daddy, you gotta taste it. See if it's good.
Okay.
Daddy, is it good? I mean, Tristan, is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Eat the cake, not just the frosting.
Thumbs up.
It's good. Alright guys, well that's it for our Father's Day video for this year 2020. If you guys want to follow us, we made this cake. We have no baking utensils, pretty, whatsoever. First time making cake, so it's pretty easy. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it's easy to follow. Bye guys.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Oh, he's stuffing his face full.
Bye.
Bye. And then I hope you enjoy and click this button so you can watch more fun, so you can watch more of my videos, and it will make your child quite right.